Okay guys, so this is my cousin brother and I'm going to register him on this platform, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this platform to make money for yourself, right? And the platform is called O Daily. So this is the platform. I've introduced this platform on my channel for some time now, right? But in this video I'm going to show you guys how to like literally use the platform, right? To like do the tax, because it's a tax platform, right? Where you get jobs and then do jobs like liking and following certain people on social media, right? So when you come to the platform, I've already sent him the link, right? You can see here I sent him the link on WhatsApp, and this is it. So he's going to tap on it and register on the platform, right? So registration is very simple. All you do is tap on the link, right? That link too is going to be on the description of this video. You tap on it and then it's going to bring you here, right? Then what you're going to do is just tap on become a member, right? Now when you tap on become a member, it's going to bring you here. These are the steps where you're going to put in your email, your name, right? Your email and your username. Put a username, right? Your own personal username and stuff. So David, this you feel it and stuff like that, you understand? Feel it when you're registering. So you put your name and everything and then you just tap on next. It's very easy and straightforward. So that's how you just register, right? I'm not going to do this registration here. He's going to do it himself. You just finish all the registration. Then one beautiful thing about this platform is that you can earn money in the platform like in different ways, right? So but there's a little investment where you're going to make, right? I told you about the investment you're going to make. It's 5,000 naira also, right? So you make the investment and you can now just register and you're going to get access to be able to make money further in the platform, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to now make money in the platform. So what I'm going to do is I'll just log in because I already have an account, right? Just the registration is very straightforward and simple, right? So you just tap on login because I already have an account. So just tap on this. When you come here to this platform, you're going to come to this place, right? These jobs and available jobs. You can see all of your jobs here. And so let's start with available jobs, the jobs that you can do on the platform. So you can see these are all the jobs you can do on the platform. You see WhatsApp jobs, right? Instagram job, YouTube job, sign up, TikTok job, Discord, YouTube, right? So now you can see there I did couple of 34 jobs, right? My submission 34. I've made money from the platform, but I also like use the money, right? So this is just why you're seeing this amount of money, right? So you can see I have like 34 likes. So people liked my job, right? And 2 people are following me right now. I'm not really very serious with this platform, right? But you can actually be very serious with it, especially when you invest. And I'm going to show you different ways you can utilize this platform and make money. So now I'm going to show you how to do these jobs on my phone because it's not going to be flexible on the laptop actually. So I'll advise you use your phone to do it. David, hope you're paying attention. Your phone will be much more better to do the jobs. Okay, so now on my phone, right? So this is how you're going to use your phone to like do the job when you're watching, because you're going to be using your phone, right? So now let's say this WhatsApp job. I don't know what this job is about, but I'm sure it's to post on WhatsApp. I don't want to do that job, but let me just show you what you can also do. So let's go for this YouTube one. Just tap on apply. You can see it's 15,000. It's 15 naira rather, not 15,000. My bad. So you can see the workers that are needed are 1,000 workers, right? And the workers that have applied are 209 workers, right? So when you come down here, you see this is like the instruction. You click start job, right? Then you open the YouTube, that is the channel link provided, right? Then you tap on subscribe using your real account, right? Your real YouTube account, right? Then turn on notification bell, then submit the screenshot following the subscription button, right? So what you're going to do is now to tap on this start job. So when you tap on start job, you see it's taking us to YouTube. Maybe hope you're paying attention to this. So it's taking us to YouTube. And then when we come to YouTube, you can see this is the person now that have created that is giving us money to subscribe for her, right? So just tap on subscribe, and then we are now going to tap on the bell, right? Because she says tap on the bell, and then tap on all. You can see tap on all. Then we are going to screenshot what we've done. Can you see what we've done? Then we're now going to go back to the site. We're going back to the site. Then we're now going to come down here to this provide proof. So when you come to provide proof, you tap on this 3 dot here, right? These 3 dots here, this one. So when you tap on it, it's going to show you this option. So you tap on this image button, here, this one here, right? So when you tap on it, it's going to give you the option to like put the email, the image rather. So you now tap on the image and then tap on done. So you can see it here. So the person is going to see that we have actually done the job, and we're not going to come down here, okay? And we're also going to do the same thing here. Tap on that, choose, and we're now going to come down to look for screenshots. Go to screenshots. images, screenshots, right? And then we're now going to select this screenshot, and it's here. So what we're going to do is now we're going to wait for it to load, and yes, screenshot has been saved. So we're now going to come down and then tap on this click button, right? This click here, and then we're now going to tap on submit proof. Tap on submit proof, and yes, we've done that job and we've submitted it. So when you come down to your dashboard, you see that the jobs that you have done, posted job is 1, right? Posted job is 1, so it's 1 job that you have done. You understand? So that is how you're going to do. So that is how you do the whole thing, right? So when you come to even Instagram job, it's the same thing. When you tap on apply, right? You tap on apply, it's going to take you to the page where you're going to see what you're supposed to do. You see here 500 workers needed. It's just 212 workers. You now say start job, right? You see all your instruction, right? Visit the provided Instagram page. It's very straightforward. It's very, very straightforward. You now tap on it, it's going to take you there. Use your phone. It's more flexible using your phone than a system, right? So that is how you're going to do to get access to like all of the jobs, and you're not going to complete like all of the jobs. Now most of you guys will say, but Vic, the pay is small. Maybe that's what you were saying. You said that the pay was small, right? But you see, the trick about this thing is every day you come to like make money on the platform. You can see there's a lot of jobs here. You're going to work with numbers. If you're understanding, you're going to work with numbers. So you do a calculation yourself, number of jobs you're going to do. So you can do like 15 times, let's say in a day you decide to do 10 jobs, right? In a day. So if the job costs 15 naira in a day, that is how much. Do the math. 15 times 30 jobs is 450. Yeah, in a day, that is 450. So 450 now times 7 times 7, that is like 3. Yeah, so you can just gather 3,000. That now some people will say that is small. Now let me show you guys how to use this platform again to like make money. That is through your referral link. Right now, same with the platform, what you're going to do is to navigate your way to this reward here. Right, when you tap on reward, what you're going to do is to come down here. You can see these are your referral links, right? That's, you see, you have to register before you get access to all of these things, and by inviting a new member to Owo Daily, you will earn commission of 2,500 naira. So that is just how you're going to do about it. So what you're going to do is to copy the link. You can copy your short link, right? When you copy your short link, now when you take your link, right, you have to do it strategically. You will go to your status, right, and say, you can say, if you're tired of begging for 2k, I have a platform that will help you make money daily just by liking people's post and following people's page, right? This is not a Ponzi scheme platform. If you're interested, only interested people, and there's an investment that you have to pay, a very little investment. Post it on your WhatsApp status. Now the reason why you're doing this is because you want to get people that are serious, right? So you're going to use trigger words like, if you're tired of begging for 2k. So people that are begging for 2k, when they're tired of it, they'll reach out to you, right? Or you can also use, if you want a platform that can legitimately make you money, and this platform has been in existence for like 5 years, because Owo Daily has actually been in existence for like 5 years. Yeah, I registered on Owo Daily, I think 2022, right? 2022 is when I registered on the platform, and it's still standing. Now the way this platform works is that people bring jobs, right? Those jobs you see, that person that you see that we liked or we subscribe to the channel is the person that is paying people like us, right? They have just paid us now money to subscribe to our channel. Now, are they people that have channels? Yes. Are they people that are looking for subscribers to their channels? Yes. So it means that it's a legitimate platform whereby people are going to be posting jobs, right, for you and I to come inside the platform and then make small money by just liking their post and then subscribing. So you see, it's logical. So it's possible for us to make money. So if, let's say today the YouTubers, right, they come today and then they post jobs, tomorrow they are going to bring their friends, and then their friends are going to post jobs, right? And let's say people, they keep on releasing videos every day, so they want you to like those videos, right? So it's a circle. So it's legitimate, right? This is how you get the money. It's not any bring a friend kind of thing and then it crashes, right? It works on a solid foundation. So that is it for now. Tap the link on the description. It's 5,000 naira. Just registration is just 5,000 naira, and then talk to your friends. Be strategic about talking to your friends. Don't just post the link anyhow, because people are not going to register. Tell them, explain these things. One is that the platform has been here for 5 years, right? So it's going to, they are going to get trust. Two is that if people are tired of begging for 2k, right, or people are tired of begging for money, they are going to get access to a platform whereby they can make money for themselves. And then you can also record video, right? You can also record video and show them. You can also download this my video and then give it to them to register, and then you now give them your link, right? So I'm giving you permission to do so. So See you guys in the next one. I'm going to show you other ways to make money from this platform, because there's a lot of ways you can make money from this platform also, not just these two ways. And so subscribe to the channel also, right? David, tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Hey, subscribe to this channel.
See you. Subscribe. Leave this player, get out.